Simplify 3x squared minus 7x plus 2 all over x squared minus 4. So we are going to factorize both the numerator and denominator. So in the numerator, we can factorize this by splitting b if we treat this as a quadratic expression. So we're going to look for a way to split b into 2 so that we are able to factorize. So in the numerator, for us to split b, we need two numbers whose sum is the same as b, and b in our case is 7, and their product, the product of those two numbers should be the same as a times c, that is 3 times 2, which is 6. So those two numbers, you'll find them to be -1 and -6. You try multiplying -1 times -6, you get 6. You add the 2, you get -7. So it therefore means that the numerator will be written as 3x squared minus x minus 6x plus 2 over, we can also rewrite the denominator as a product of two numbers. So first of all, if you look at it, we have x squared minus 4, which we could write as x squared minus 2 squared. And if you remember the quadratic identities, this is a difference of squares, that is a squared minus b squared, and that is always a plus b times a minus b, to mean that this particular expression can be written as x plus 2 times x minus 2. So it means in the denominator we have x plus 2 times x minus 2. So in the numerator, the common factor between these two is x. So we have x into 3x minus 1. So you expect to find a similar expression in the other bracket, that is 3x minus 1. So for you to have obtained +2, it means you multiplied -1 by -2. So you have minus 2 there, and that's over x plus 2 into x minus 2. So in the numerator we have x minus 2 into one of these, that is 3x minus 1, and that's over x plus 2 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 and x minus 2 will cancel, so that we are left with 3x minus 1 over x plus 2 as our simplified form of that expression.